Themes are a really quick way to customize the entire Windows XP interface. And you can get to them by right-clicking on the desktop and choosing Properties, and it should get you back to that Display Properties screen again. And under the Themes tab in Display Properties is where you can access them. And by clicking onto this drop-down menu, you can see that there are not very many that you can choose from. Basically Windows XP is shipped with. You can see there are only a couple of them that you can choose from: Windows Classic and Windows XP. You can download more themes online from the Windows XP site, or perhaps get some very slick Windows theme CDs. I have lots of them on my PC, which I use at home, and I'm a really big theme fan. I have lots of movie themes and sports themes, and I love customizing my desktop. It looks pretty flashy sometimes. So once again, if you click on the drop down menu, you have the Windows XP theme, which is the default theme that's installed by Windows, and then you have the Windows Classic. You have a little sample preview of what your desktop will look like, or what the Windows interface will look like if you were to change your theme from Windows XP to Windows Classic. Well, there really are a lot more ways to change your Windows XP setup, rather than just using Windows Classic and Windows XP. Let's see what Windows Classic does to our screen. If we click on Apply, the computer will ask us to wait for a few seconds. Now we click on OK. As you can see, this screen now looks like the more conventional Windows that we had in earlier times. If you click onto My Computer, it pretty much looks the same. The settings are the same, but you can see the title bar, and the visualization is totally different. And if you want to revert back to our previous Windows XP theme, just right click on Properties, go to the Themes tab, and click on Windows XP, apply those settings, and it should get us back to our normal Windows XP theme. There are lots of websites that you can visit and download more themes from. If you click on More Themes Online, this is a shortcut to online themes for Windows XP, and as I told you, you get lots of CDs in the market selling Windows XP themes. So overall, this is just a little tutorial showing you how to customize the way the Windows XP interface looks.